Hello everyone, let's continue chapter 16, that is light. So let's start new topic, that is reflection. So what is reflection? When a ray of light falls on a surface, a part of it is returned back into the same medium, and this phenomena is called reflection of light. So the light reflected from different objects creates their images which we see. This light enters our eyes and our brain is able to interpret the images. There are two types of reflection: regular reflection and diffuse reflection. So first we are going to discuss about regular reflection. Here you can see the image of Taj Mahal in still water. The image in water is clear because the surface of water is smooth. The light falls on it and is reflected evenly in one direction. In the second picture, you can see Taj Mahal in waves. The surface of water in the waves is not smooth, so the light is reflected in all the directions, which makes the image unclear. So how can we differentiate regular reflection with diffuse reflection? So when the surfaces are smooth and shiny, they will always give you regular reflection, as you can see in the image. In the second image, you can see that if the surfaces are rough or dull, they will always give you diffuse reflection. So diffuse reflection is when light is scattered in different directions. So how can we define regular reflection and diffuse reflection? So when parallel rays of light falls on a smooth surface, as you can see here, the reflected rays are parallel. This is called regular reflection, and regular reflection forms images of objects. In the second picture, you can see irregular reflection, or we can say diffuse reflection. When parallel rays of light falls on a rough surface, the reflected rays are not parallel. They are scattered. So this is called diffused or irregular reflection. And diffuse reflection does not form images of objects. Now we are going to take the second topic, that is reflection from plane mirror. You know very well that plane mirror is also a type of glass, and it has a flat surface which is coated with a silver substance on one side. So when light falls on it, the light rays get reflected in one direction, and all of them are parallel to each other. So this is how reflection from plane mirror takes place.